Southern California is in flames. Several wildfires have hit the Southlands, with the Santa Ana winds helping fan those flames. The latest, a traffic-crippling fire in West Los Angeles along the 405 freeway. The Skirball fire burned alongside the 405 freeway. A stretch of the 405, one of Southern California's main arteries, was closed off during rush hour. Nearby homes had been given evacuation orders. The largest in Ventura County, home to some 28,000 Filipinos, over 50,000 acres have been scorched. Smoke can still be seen and smelled from the gutted hillside frames that sit just outside of downtown Ventura, which has become a powerless ghost town. The Creek Fire hit closer to Los Angeles in the heavily Filipino-populated San Fernando Valley area. The sounds of fire trucks were common as masked residents made their way through the dense smog. Helping Hands Adult Day Healthcare Center is at the border within the Creek Fire's danger zone, but the flames couldn't put out their game of bingo as they found refuge in the center.
We were thinking kung iaano namin sila, pauwi na lang, pero mukhang mas safe pa yung lugar na ito kaysa doon sa bahay nila kasi nasusuffocate din sila doon eh. Tapos binigyan namin sila ng mga mask. So now, nag-subside na yata sa ibang parts.
But beyond the mask, some concerns. Many of them live in the danger zone, not far from the 11,000-acre fire, where they worry about their families and their own health.
Amoy namin yung parang nagluluto, masunog. Yung aso nandoon, kaya nagpaandar ng humidifier.
The smoke is still, because of the wind.
And for better or worse, they're ready to take action.
If in case kailangan nila ng evacuation place, we can open the place for everyone. Kung kinakailangan, mag-evacuate din kami.
At least 2 more fires had sprung up in Southern California, one in Valencia, another in San Bernardino County. The Philippine consulate is monitoring the situation and will be ready to help any nationals that may be affected. A state of emergency has been declared in Ventura County, and while that declaration can help bring some aid to the region, one thing that's not helping is nature. The winds continue to be a threat against containment and also holds the potential to spark even more wildfires. Steve Angeles, ABS-CBN News, Ventura, California.